Hi there, this is Alan Taylor and I'm excited to be showing you my newest listing at 4607 Stark Avenue in Woodland Hills, California. This is a beautiful one-level ranch, just over 2,400 square feet on about a 20,000 square foot lot. Just beautiful with a sensational view, which I cannot wait to show you. So just giving you a good look at the front elevation of this beautiful, beautiful home that's ready for its next owner. Let's go take a look. So you have this really very cool original lighting fixture here, which is super cool. And the little cactus there. And I love the little 4607 Stark, the tiles there. I think you can see we've got this iron gate as well for extra security. And as you come inside the front gate there, you've got a little bit of privacy. And forgive me if I'm wrong, but I believe this is an olive tree, which is just stunning. All right, so this is our walk to the front door. Again, we've got these very sweet lighting fixtures and the well, it's not, I mean, maybe custom door. I think it's an original door, but just beautiful. And the stone siding, just tons of detail, really sweet. All right, so let's go inside. So as we go inside the home, the first thing that you're gonna see are these beautiful, beautiful, brand newly installed wood-like floors. All the walls in this house are painted really white, really fresh white, clean, contemporary. So I'm going to show you the first room here, which is the living room, which has this stunning fireplace. Black windows, which is just really sharp. You can see the light cascading in. I'll show you a reverse angle of this living room. Plenty of space there for sitting and hanging out. And then we've got another sitting area over there, which is sweet. And the reason why you love this house is because you've got this stunning backyard. Everywhere you look through these windows, you get to see the stunning mountains in the distance. So let's go out here and take a look. Look at the views, they're just incredible. You can see all the way to Calabasas and the Santa Susana Mountains beyond. Just stunning view. And I look over here to the west. You can see the Santa Monica Mountains. And just over those hills is the ocean. We've got a very large and spacious grassy yard here. With some engineering and some money, you could do an infinity edge pool, which would be incredible, which would take the property over the top. And I'll just show you a reverse angle of the backyard. So tons of grass. Just a great property. And you can also do, if you want, you can do a deck. So you've got a 20,000 foot lot here that goes down, which you'll see when you'll come in person. I don't know if I can show it to you. But you've got room down here. There's a little drainage culvert down there. But you've got room to do a deck if you want to. I'm not sure if I would do a pool or a deck, but you definitely have room to expand the property. All right, so let's go back inside and I'll show you the rest of the house. Just love the way this house looks and feels. All right, so this is a great room in here. So here we have our formal dining area here and kitchen with bar stools and breakfast bar, custom lighting. Wait till you see the countertops in here, super cool. Just a sweet little kitchen. Again, with the custom lights. And so this is the access to the garage. Please don't mind the mess in the garage. There's a 3-car garage, but I want you to see we also have a man cave. which is so cool. So this was the workroom in the house. You got your vise over there, got your dartboard, got your tequila, got your tool chest, got your guitar. Then we got the couch with the guitar and the music and the bookcase. Just a cool man cave. All right, so we're gonna go back in the house. And then outside these doors here, you've got a nice patio as well, which you can sit and have breakfast. You can do a little pergola over here and have like a little, you know, hangout breakfast area in the shade, which is pretty sweet. All right, so now we're gonna go down the hallway to the bedrooms. And the first thing we have here is a powder room. We've got some original tile work that came out super clean with new hardware, new fixture, sweet. And this is our hallway that leads to our 5 bedrooms. So I've got bedroom 1 here, which is currently set up as an office. Again, we got the clean wood-like floors, freshly painted walls, also with a great view. And then we've got our closet there. Cool art on the walls. And then in the hallway here, we have this linen closet as well. And this is also storage, or coat closet. Yeah, so we've got a coat closet there for you. And down the hall this way, we've got 3 additional bedrooms, which I'm going to show you. But first, I'm going to show you the master bedroom, which is very spacious in size. And towards the back corner of the house, you can see through the windows, you've got a beautiful view. Just stunning. And all this closet space, tons of closet space. The whole entire wall there, you've got a full closet there, and then you've got another full closet there for hanging all your clothes and storing all your belongings and shoes. And then here is our master. This is a suite. So we've got dual sinks, again with updated fixtures. And we've got a standing shower over there, which is just the right size, plenty of room. Really nicely done. Okay, so to the other bedrooms in the house. So these 3 bedrooms down the hall there are serviced by this bath here. Again, double sinks, updated hardware with a shower over tub, which is good for the little ones. And we got some cool lighting fixtures, super light and bright. And we've got a bedroom here, which is really sweet, just adorable. Just simple, clean, and minimal, plenty of space to put your belongings, lots of closets. And we have another bedroom across the way here, which is also set up beautifully. Those floors are awesome. I can't stop looking at them. Another closet there. And for the 5th bedroom in the house, which is here toward the back, actually I should say towards the front of the house, that window is the front there, is another bedroom, which is really sweet. And then also has lots of closet space. So lots of closet space, lots of windows, lots of light, freshly painted. I'm gonna take you back this way one more time and just show you the living room out to the view. Just a sweet looking place. And again, back to the backyard and the view one more time. So this is 4607 Stark. Just a beautiful, beautiful home in a sweet Woodland Hills location, close to hiking and biking, shops and restaurants, excellent schools. Hope you come and take a look. Thanks so much.